You know it's cold outside when two Yetis show up at your front door and ask to trade food for, you know, animal pelts. So it's pretty darn cold out there. Hi, welcome back. Okay, it snowed. If you are anywhere in the United States right now, you realize there's a winter storm going on. We had our share of it. You can see from behind me that it is a whiteout, lots of snow, birds on the feeder. It's cold. It's I think 10 right now. Feels like -1. So it's too cold to rover. So anyway, I did just a few little things, cleaning this truck, snow off the truck, and feeding the birds and that kind of stuff. Hope you're staying warm. You can see the white walkers approaching here. So we're roughly like right there, and so they're kind of moving into the state now. We're all doomed. I do have my dragon glass dagger out though, so we'll see if I can keep them at bay. Yeah, it's cold. Last night it got down to 5. It is a winter wonderland. Let me put my other glove on so I don't get frostbite immediately. Thankfully, the wind is only 10 to 15 miles an hour. Sorry, I'm adjusting. We did have some snow drifting, a little bit. A little bit blew down the driveway there and into the yard. Got to uncover the F-150 because I bet I'm going to work tomorrow. But anyway, yeah, that's a pretty good snow event for Oklahoma anyway. Where's my ruler? Let's go get the ruler. We'll put it down on the official measuring tape area so I don't trip and fall. Let's get the official ruler of Oklahoma. We'll use the Moss Chevrolet of Pawnee, Oklahoma ruler today. Probably got that from my grandfather, who lived in every town north of Guthrie, apparently, at some point in there when my dad was growing up in his life, because my grandfather was in construction. Wouldn't surprise me. I got this from one of the Fishers or something. Pawnee, of all places. Or Pawnee Bills is, where I've actually done some reenacting. Living history, as we call it today. All right, this is our unofficial, official measurement of how much snow we got. And I will place it here in the snowbank. Bingo, that's 7 inches, kids. Reminds me of a joke from college. I won't share it with you because it's not very nice. But you can see it's 6.5 in the yard, which is subject to blowing. You can see that my feeder is covered over and my bird friends have not showed up. I gotta get that cleared off and fed. Lucy likes it. Is that right, Lucy? You like the snow? Max, not so much. Max doesn't like the snow because he's short. And his little winger goes dragging through the snow. Let's push it away from everything. Just the snow from last night. I cleared this off earlier today. Or yesterday, not today. I haven't been out of bed today. Almost noon, almost 11. Too cold to do it. This is Okierover's in Kansas, and they have their own little cold snow bit going on over there. Helping Erica get packed up for her move to Oklahoma. Brian's already here. The boys are excited. Jamie just wants to be home. I can tell you that. I don't know why I'm messing with this. The brown-headed cowbirds will come in thousands and eat all of this, and my regular songbirds won't get any of it. But we'll do what we can for our bird friends. Try to minimize the amount of crap I get in the snow crap in the so my seed doesn't mildew. Probably have to do this again today. Later. All right. Snowdrift is kind of impressive. It's a foot of snow in the snowdrift. That means four-wheel drive to get out of here later. This one is 16 inches. That's pretty impressive. All right, let's get this sucker cleared off, started up and such. These are not snowdrifts. Say that for me. Air hurts to breathe. Oh, that air hurts to breathe. We got darn lucky. Got darn lucky it wasn't an ice event, because at this temperature you can't even scrape the ice off. It's just snow. So we're gonna start the truck and yeah, get it running. My fingers are freezing.